Now after the direct method for the discrete data, discrete means ungrouped frequency distribution. So again we are on the shortcut method. Now once again, if the data is large, okay, if the given frequency we are having large, naturally the product will also be large, okay, or the variables are large, frequency is okay, then also. So if the data is large, frequency is large, product is large, then what we can do to solve the question in the easiest way? Now if x1, x2, xn are the values of a variable with frequencies f1, f2, fn, then here variables x1, x2, xn can be large and frequencies also can be large. Naturally the product will also be large. Then shortcut method is to find the arithmetic mean. Using the shortcut method, it is assumed mean xi times di upon summation for fi. Okay, so this is the formula where A is assumed mean, di, normally we are using the word di, it is deviation, okay, deviation of xi to a. Okay, so we are having a assumed mean, di xi minus a and summation for fi. Okay, so we are using the shortcut method. This is the shortcut method.